Hello, future accountants. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving deep into the world of accounting situational interview questions. Whether you are a recent graduate or a seasoned professional, mastering these questions is crucial for landing the dream accounting job. Before we jump in, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our career-focused content. Let's get started. Situational interview questions assess your ability to handle real-world scenarios. In the accounting field, employers want to ensure you not only have the technical skills but can also apply them in practical situations. So, let's tackle some common scenarios and provide you with effective answers.
Imagine you discover a discrepancy in the financial records just days before a crucial audit. What steps would you take to address this situation?
I would immediately investigate the discrepancy, comparing source documents, checking for errors, and reconciling accounts. Simultaneously, I would communicate with relevant team members to gather information, document the process thoroughly, and report my findings to management. This proactive approach ensures transparency and facilitates a smoother audit process.
You're responsible for preparing financial reports, and a sudden system failure occurs, jeopardizing the deadline. How do you handle this unexpected challenge?
In such a situation, I would first assess the extent of the system failure and its impact on the reporting timeline. Simultaneously, I collaborate with the IT department to address the issue promptly. If necessary, I would explore alternative methods for data retrieval and reporting to ensure the deadline is met. Clear communication with stakeholders about the delay and the steps being taken is crucial during this process.
Your team is facing a heavy workload during the month-end closing, and one team member is struggling to meet deadlines. How do you address this issue while maintaining team morale?
I would initiate a conversation with the team member to understand the challenges they are facing and offer support, whether it's redistributing tasks or providing additional resources. Simultaneously, I would encourage open communication within the team to ensure everyone feels comfortable expressing concerns or requesting assistance. Balancing workload and fostering a collaborative environment is key to maintaining team morale during challenging periods.
Imagine you encounter a potential ethical dilemma related to financial reporting. How would you handle such a situation?
In the face of an ethical dilemma, I would prioritize adherence to professional standards and company policies. I would consult with relevant parties, such as a supervisor, ethics committee, or legal department, to ensure a comprehensive understanding of the issue. Transparency and integrity are paramount, and I would take necessary steps to rectify the situation while upholding the principles of ethical financial reporting. These answers provide a general framework, and candidates should tailor responses based on their specific experiences and values.
Your company is implementing a new accounting software system. How do you ensure a smooth transition without disrupting daily operations?
To ensure a smooth transition, I would start by thoroughly understanding the features and functionalities of the new system. I would collaborate with the IT and finance teams to create a detailed implementation plan, including staff training sessions and phased rollouts. Regular communication with all stakeholders, addressing concerns, and providing ongoing support during the transition are essential to minimize disruptions and maximize the effectiveness of the new accounting software.
Your team is tasked with cost-cutting measures, and you need to identify areas for potential savings. How do you approach this situation without compromising the efficiency of financial operations?
I would begin by conducting a comprehensive cost analysis, identifying areas with potential for optimization without sacrificing essential functions. This may involve evaluating vendor contracts, streamlining processes, and implementing technology solutions. Importantly, I would collaborate with the team to gather insights and ensure that cost-cutting measures are strategic, sustainable, and align with the organization's financial goals.
A client expresses dissatisfaction with a financial report your team provided. How do you handle this situation and work towards a resolution?
I would promptly reach out to the client to understand their specific concerns and gather detailed feedback. After identifying the issues, I would collaborate with my team to rectify any errors and improve the report. Communication is crucial, and I would transparently discuss the steps taken to address the concerns, ensuring the client feels heard and reassured about the accuracy and reliability of our financial reporting.
During an internal audit, an auditor discovers a potential compliance issue within your department. How would you respond to this situation?
I would approach this situation with transparency and urgency. I'd collaborate with the auditor to gain a thorough understanding of the identified issue, conduct an internal review, and work towards a resolution. Simultaneously, I would communicate with relevant stakeholders, such as compliance officers and senior management, to keep them informed. Taking swift and proactive measures to address compliance issues is crucial for maintaining the integrity of the financial processes.
Your team is responsible for budget preparation, and unexpected economic changes impact revenue projections. How do you adjust the budget to reflect these changes while ensuring financial stability?
In response to unexpected economic changes, I would reassess revenue projections based on the latest data and collaborate with relevant departments to understand the broader impact. Adjustments to the budget would be made strategically, prioritizing essential expenditures and aligning financial goals with the current economic landscape. Clear communication with stakeholders about the revised budget and the rationale behind adjustments is crucial to maintain transparency and trust.
You discover a potential fraudulent activity in financial transactions. How would you handle this situation, ensuring a thorough investigation and adherence to legal protocols?
Upon discovering potential fraudulent activity, I would immediately escalate the issue to higher management and the legal department. Simultaneously, I would initiate an internal investigation, gathering evidence and collaborating with relevant parties such as internal audit and law enforcement if necessary. Transparency and adherence to legal protocols are paramount in such situations to ensure a comprehensive and lawful resolution.
Your company is considering a merger with another organization. How would you approach the financial integration process, ensuring a seamless transition and accurate financial reporting?
To ensure a seamless financial integration, I would collaborate closely with the finance teams of both companies, conducting a detailed analysis of financial records, systems, and processes. Developing a comprehensive integration plan, including reconciling accounts, aligning financial reporting standards, and communicating changes to stakeholders, would be a priority. Regular status updates and addressing challenges proactively are key to a successful and smooth merger transition.
Your team is facing a tight deadline for submitting tax documents, and a key team member is unexpectedly unavailable. How do you ensure timely completion and accuracy in tax filings?
In such a situation, I would quickly assess the workload and redistribute tasks among available team members. If necessary, I would seek temporary assistance or outsourcing options to meet the deadline. Clear communication about the revised plan, close monitoring of progress, and ensuring that quality standards are maintained throughout the process are essential to successfully navigate tight deadlines in tax filings.
Your company is expanding globally, and you're tasked with managing international financial transactions. How do you ensure compliance with diverse regulatory frameworks and mitigate currency exchange risks?
Managing international financial transactions requires a thorough understanding of global regulatory frameworks. I would collaborate with legal and compliance teams to ensure adherence to diverse regulations. Additionally, implementing risk management strategies, such as using forward contracts to mitigate currency exchange risks, would be essential. Regular updates on regulatory changes and proactive adjustments to financial processes ensure ongoing compliance in an evolving global landscape.
A major client requests customized financial reports with specific metrics not currently tracked. How would you adapt your reporting systems to meet the client's unique requirements?
I would engage with the client to understand their specific reporting needs and the desired metrics. Collaborating with the IT and development teams, I would assess the feasibility of incorporating these custom metrics into our reporting systems. Clear communication with the client about the timeline, potential challenges, and the benefits of the customization ensures a tailored solution that aligns with their expectations.
Your company is transitioning to a cloud-based accounting system. How would you address concerns about data security and ensure a smooth migration of financial data to the new platform?
Transitioning to a cloud-based system requires meticulous planning. I would work closely with it and data security experts to implement robust encryption protocols and access controls. Rigorous testing of the new system and a phased approach to data migration would minimize potential disruptions. Transparent communication with all stakeholders about the security measures in place would address concerns and build confidence in the successful adoption of the cloud-based accounting system.
Your team is working on a high-profile financial presentation for company executives. How do you ensure accuracy, clarity, and visual appeal in the presentation to effectively convey complex financial information?
Crafting a high-profile financial presentation involves meticulous attention to detail. I would ensure accuracy by cross-referencing data. Use clear and concise language to explain complex concepts, and incorporate visual aids such as charts and graphs for enhanced clarity. Seeking feedback from colleagues and utilizing professional design tools would contribute to the overall visual appeal, ensuring the presentation effectively communicates critical financial information to company executives. Remember, mastering situational interview questions is about demonstrating not only your technical expertise but also your problem solving skills, communication abilities, and adaptability. Practice these scenarios to boost your confidence in the actual interview. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to share it with your fellow accounting enthusiasts. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.